Ever since I was knee-high to a wheelbarrow, my dad taught me the #1 rule on every construction site is safety. If you're doing your job safely, you're doing your job right.
You gotta watch out, you gotta think ahead, you gotta look out, listen, and use your head. Play it safe on the construction site. When you do it safe, then you do it right.
The construction site is a dangerous place. You never know what will pop up in your face. There's always something that can make you fall. There's always something that can make you small. I'm a worker and I wear a vest to help me so I stand out the best. The colors help in many ways. Red and orange we see far away.
You gotta watch out, you gotta think ahead, you gotta look out, listen, and use your head. Play it safe on the construction site. When you do it safe, then you do it right.
I'm a welder and I wear a mask. What does it protect? You might ask. When I'm welding steel at a frantic pace, it protects my eyes and face. I'm a jackhammer man, I'm making flying debris. I need something just to help me breathe, so I wear a mask, just in case, to keep the dust off my pretty face.
You gotta watch out, you gotta think ahead, you gotta look out, listen, and use your head. Play it safe on the construction site. When you do it safe, then you do it right.
These construction workers have on their protective gear: hard hat, safety glasses, red vest, and steel-toed shoes. They're doing it safe and doing it right.
I'm the foreman and I'm very smart. I wear a helmet before I start. When things are falling, including yourself, so my safety helmet is a lot of help. I'm the driver in a moving truck. My horn sounds when I'm backing up. If you're behind it, then don't delay. The horn is saying, get out of the way.
You gotta watch out, you gotta think ahead, you gotta look out, listen, and use your head. Play it safe on the construction site. When you do it safe, then you do it right. You gotta watch out, you gotta think ahead, you gotta look out, listen,